Hey friends, do not throw away the pumpkin peels. I'm sure during the Onam season you will have lots of pumpkin peels in the kitchen. Pumpkins in the sambar, pumpkins in the pachadi, pumpkins in the olan, pumpkins everywhere. So when you peel the pumpkin, peel thick skins and refrigerate those thick peels in an airtight container and refrigerate them. Once all the curries of Onam are over, take out those peels and then we'll prepare a pumpkin peel stir fry and a pumpkin peel chutney with it. So here's the process. For the pumpkin peel stir fry, chop the pumpkin peels into small pieces. A little thick because the pumpkin peels will cook very soon. For the other ingredients, you would require grated coconut, cumin seeds, dry chilies, green chilies, little ginger, a little garlic, and you have to grate them into a coarse paste. Now you have to put some oil in a pan, heat it, then add the chopped pumpkin peels, stir them for a while, add a little salt and a little turmeric and stir them still for some more time. Then you have to add some boiled green gram or moong dal. I had boiled one cup of green gram, but now I have taken only half of it because that is enough for this quantity of pumpkin peels. Now I'll add a little curry leaf and the grated coconut mix. Close them and let the steam come. Let it cook for a while. Let all the ingredients, all the flavors mix together and let the moong dal and the pumpkin peels become a little more tender, but still we should be able to bite. Let it not become too soft. After 5 minutes, stir them again gently. Mix all the ingredients together, let it heat for a while and then remove it from the flame. And now for the chutney. For the chutney, I have cut the pumpkin peels into slender long pieces. Took some oil in a pan, heated the oil. Now stir fry the pumpkin peels for a while. Add some curry leaves and again stir them. Then add some grated coconut. Again stir them for 1 minute. Then add some chili powder. Stir it again. And since I had a little more grated coconut left, I added a little more grated coconut to it. Now add a small pinch of turmeric also to it for a sour taste. In case you want a sweet taste, you can add some jaggery also, but I am not adding that right now. Add a little salt too, then mix it well remove it from flame, put it in a jar and grind it into a fine paste. And now you can add a little tempering to both of them. For that, keep a small pan, add some oil. When the oil heats, add some mustard seed, let it crackle. Add some chopped shallots or onion, some curry leaves and some dry red chilies. Stir them, let it get fried and little dark color, so that gives a good decoration to the curries. And once the color has changed, remove it from flame and pour it over the pumpkin peel stir fry and the pumpkin peel chutney also. In addition to these two, I also prepared some pumpkin curry also. So since that's not made of pumpkin peels but with the flesh, I have not given the recipe here. I'll do that some other time. So add the tempering to the tadka to the curry also. So friends, a good tasty meal is a wholesome meal is ready. Now let's have it. Take some rice, any rice for that matter. Then pour some yellow flowing pumpkin curry over it. Then take a little chutney, take a little of the stir fry, mix all of them together, blend them well and eat it. My dear friends, this was one of the yummiest lunch that I have ever tried. Please do try it and I'm sure you are going to like it. And please do not forget to comment under this video. And please do subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so till now. Thank you.